Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cellular data is turned off, turn on cellular data, or use Wi-Fi to access data. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. So guys, if you're getting this error, just simply have to open the settings of your iPhone, and from here guys, just simply have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for 30 or 40 seconds, and then turn this off. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on mobile service, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on mobile data options. And from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that if low data mode is turned off. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, you can easily find here. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to reset the statics, and after that go back. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on Wi-Fi. Now turn off your Wi-Fi at least for the 30 or 40 seconds, and then turn it on again. If possible, try another network. And after that, close this page. Now after that guys, open the settings, scroll it down, tap on genre. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on software update and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest iOS version. And then from here you have to tap on about and make sure that you don't have any carrier setting update. If you have, just simply have to update it, and after that go back. Now scroll it down and make sure that your date and time is also correct, and also make sure that you are not connected with any VPN. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. From here guys, you have to reset your network setting. Now after resetting your network setting guys, first restart your device, and after that I guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.